everyone, welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Iceland app on your mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So without any further delay, let's carry on with our video. Firstly, open up your Play Store app. Once the main tab is open, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and then write in Iceland. Once you're done, click on the search bar at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, the app is available to be downloaded. Click on the install button and now all you have to do is wait. The downloading process has now started and once the percentage hits 100, the app will be downloaded successfully. Iceland is a groceries and bonus card app which makes it easier for your food shopping and to make savings. It helps you to get discounts and cashback or track your orders and even receive exclusive loyalty card deals. If you are a UK resident, then this app is a must for you. Now, once the downloading process ends, the open button should turn green, and once it does, click on it and it will directly take you to the app. As you can see, the app has now been successfully downloaded in your mobile phone. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more tutorials like this. Stay connected and goodbye till then.